episode this ever before, because you never did. But it's new specialties of the house. So we are heading to the master room. This is the master room. The master room is also very wide, and we have wardrobes. The place is very spacey. We have space here. We have a lot of space. We also, you can also see the bathroom. This is the bathroom attached to the master room. The bathroom is, you can see the shower, the toilet seats and the water tubs. As we head to the second room, it's not as, doesn't have much space like the master room, but as you can see, it is also wide and very good with the locations. We are heading to the third room, and it is also near the second room. As you can see, it is also the same size as the previous one. We are heading to the second bathroom. This is the second bathroom, also the common bathroom, where both people in the house can, use, which is different from the first one because it was attached to the master room. So we are heading to the kitchen. The masterpiece of the house. The most beautiful place I saw in this house is the kitchen. As you can see, fully equipped, very beautiful. It is very clean, and as you are cooking, you can watch also outside. If you got kids playing outside, you can cook and also watch the kids. Beautiful furnitures over here. They are very well done, as you can see, with a large space if you have a lot of things. As we head on to the fourth room, we are heading on to the fourth room. This is the fourth room. It is wider than the second one and the third one. This is a little bit much sizer. It's also equipped with a wardrobe, a very beautiful wardrobe, as you can see, and it gives us a little view on outside. As we head on, let's go check on the outside of the house, but the back outside of the house. The back outside of the house is equipped with a kitchen. Outside kitchen. This is a back door. There is a back door heading to the back of the house, and we have by here a small outside kitchen where you can cook outside, and we also have a small stock room where you can use as for stocking your food. It is not that big, but it is enough for a stock house. There is also a housekeeper room where the housekeepers might stay and live. We also have an outside bathroom, as we said. We have an outside bathroom and an outside toilet. This is the outside bathroom and the outside toilet. Let's see how the garden looks like. What the garden looks like. This is a place where you could dry your clothes, and this is the garden, the green place of the house. This is the green corner of the house where you can come and take a little rest. As you can see, it's so green, so relaxing. It is very beautiful to come and take your time here and play with the kids, play with the dog if you have one, or you could just sit and relax in these beautiful flowers and just take some fresh air.